Global warming, is it the real deal or just a hype?
We're here to tell you it's the real deal. The facts have shown that the temperature has risen 1 degree. That might not seem like a lot, but it really is. Even 1 degree difference can make a big impact on our environment and our health and society. What could 1 degree do to us in society? Global warming is hurting many plants, animals, and even humans. It is affecting humans because as more and more fossil fuels are burned, there is a higher risk of pollution-induced asthma and other illnesses.
It can cause other illnesses also. Climate change makes it so much easier to have ticks and mosquitoes reproduce. They produce more because extreme weather can contaminate water, which is a cause of bacterial diseases. Therefore, they spread around illnesses to humans. Malaria kills over 2 million people per year, especially in warmer countries, and that number will begin to rise as global warming takes its place over the years.
Global warming is a very real problem, and if we're not careful, our world may be gone in a few hundred years.
So instead of the sun coming into the earth and some of that solar radiation leaving, it's trapped in the atmosphere, so the temperatures of the atmosphere are rising.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So CO2 is emitted by a lot of things, but one of them is, from the gasoline from our cars, from the coal that we burn for electricity. When you make a fire and burn wood, that's also emitting CO2 into the atmosphere. There's all sorts of ways in which CO2 can be emitted into the atmosphere. And so as that rises, then the Earth will continue to warm. Other factors are you know what deforestation is?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cutting down trees in forests. That's a large contributor to global warming. Another large contributor is transportation, so cars and airplanes and any sort of thing that we use gasoline or oil for. Some of the other emitters are agriculture is a pretty large emitter of greenhouse gases. But yeah, there's a lot of causes.
Okay.
What could be the ultimate cause?
So those are a few of them though.
Do you believe that global warming is blown up to the scale, like, do you think people blow it up, or is it really, that bad?
No, I don't think it's exaggerated. I think it's a very important issue, and it's being talked about in the public, and it's being taken very seriously. So I don't think it's being blown up.
Okay.
Okay. What could be the ultimate cost of global warming?
Cost? Oh. What could be the ultimate cost of global warming?
The ultimate cost of it?
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Okay. So I think the ultimate cost of global warming it'll just be changes in the environment. So for instance, some of because the Earth will be warmer, the poles far north and the far south, the glacial ice caps will begin melting. That can increase sea levels. So seasonal changes, I think, will be a large issue as the Earth warms.
Okay.
So yes, so 2 examples.
Okay.
How's it gonna affect us?
Yes.
Okay. You hear me?
Yeah.
I can, yes.
I'll keep talking.
Okay.
So,
Oh my.
so the way in which it's going to affect us, are a lot of ways. We're gonna have longer summers. You might see changes in the types of natural environments, your local environments. So your forest might change composition. You might have different types of trees in your forest. Your crops might have more difficulty growing because there will be changes in rainfall across across land bases, and so you won't be able to produce as much food in a country.
We don't say all this, but we say in fragments because it's easier to remember.
Yeah. This video is gonna be unique.
Yeah. Hey, it's recording. Sarah! Few hundred years. Global warming is a very real problem. And if we're not careful, our world could be gone in a few hundred years. If we're not careful, our world could be gone in a few hundred years.
Global warming. It's a real problem. If we're not careful, it could be gone. A few hundred years.
Ow!
Very real problem. And if we're not careful... Darn it! Okay, ready?